One of the most effective ways to cut plastic pollution, it appears, is to use fewer new products in the first place. A United Nations report says the world can in under 20 years avoid up to 80% of the harms of mismanaging plastics. That includes carbon emissions, ecosystem damage, and health risks. The study says that creating a vibrant reuse market where businesses shun disposables and agree to repair old goods would be the most powerful market shift. Though other steps, including recycling, using alternative materials, proper waste disposal, and cutting virgin plastic production are also needed. Upfront investments for these ventures will provide trillions in savings down the road, along with more jobs. Unchecked, plastic production worldwide could triple by 2060. Polymer residue has already been found in oceans, soil, animals' guts, and even water supplies. Countries are currently working towards a legally binding global deal to cut plastic pollution.